to our channel once again, my friends. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we post new videos. Today we're going to be doing a boiled and fried plantain recipe, and this is very delicious if you make it the right way. And for that we're going to be using 3 plantains, onion, scallions, pepper and salt, and that's about it for this recipe. It's a simple, delicious, filling recipe. So having said that, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do, my friends, is put some water to heat up to boil your plantains. And we're using our handy dandy karahi today. So now it's time to cut up our plantains, and this is the way you cut them. About that long. So that's the size you're looking for. Alright, so we have our plantain all cut up. So we're only going to use half of the onion, my friends. Or you can get a smaller onion and use a whole one. So it's time to put our plantains in. We're going to give it a little wash. So once you add the plantains, you're going to add your salt and just leave it to boil. Alright, so our plantain is ready, my friends. Let's check and see what's happening. And this took quite a while to boil, soft enough as we wanted. So that's good now. Alright guys, so what we're going to do now, we're just going to move this aside from the stove and get our other stuff ready. And we're not going to strain this right now, we're just going to leave it in the water for a bit. We don't want it to take it out now and then it's going to dry out by the time we're ready for it. We want it to be a little bit not too dry. So we've added some oil to our pan. And we're going to add the chopped onions and scallions. So as usual, we're going to brown our onions a little bit first. And I know a lot of people don't like green plantains, but the way we're doing it here is going to be moist and nice and juicy and delicious. You'll like it. Try it. So now we're going to add our scallions. Alright my friends, so we added our onions and scallions and pepper, fried it up a bit, and then we strained the plantains and we added it right away. So you don't want to strain the plantains before and leave it to dry out. And that's how it's looking juicy and nice there now. So that's the way this boil and fry plantain is usually done. Alright my friends, and that's it. This is done already. So there it is. That was a quick recipe guys. And it's going to be delicious, I can promise you that. You should really give this a try. So you can have this with some saltfish, my friends, or you can have it with boiled eggs. We usually do with one of those. And that's it for this recipe guys. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.